Hey everyone, I'm Emily Frame and welcome back to my OFTV channel. In the last episode we finished the front section, built the suspension instead of the steering wheel, front bumper, doors and windshield. But now here's the big decision. According to the instructions, you can build two versions of the Porsche 911. The turbo couple of the Targa convertible. Turbo looks aggressive, but honestly, this Targa just stole my heart. So today we're going full Targa, and in this episode we install the rear suspension, add the wheels, assemble the roof, headlights and of course the hood. This is where the car finally comes together. Bag number 7. Rear suspension, components and wheel mounts. Every piece is perfectly crafted and fits together seamlessly. Bag number 8. The grand final. Here we got the Targa roof parts, headlights and the hood. This is the moment where model gets in final shape. Bag number 10. Special package. It contains roof and wheels for Targa version, and we will use it. We start with the rear suspension. It locks firmly into the chassis, giving the car its sporty stance. Then come the wheels. Classic Porsche style, perfect proportions. With them on, the model finally stands on its own and looks ready to hit the road. Now for the roof. The iconic Targa roll bar and removable top give the Porsche a unique character. This is exactly the version I wanted. Installing the front headlights, they define the unmistakable face of the Porsche. Each piece brings the car to life. Final touch, the hood. Once in place, the front is complete and the form of 911 is instantly recognizable. And here it is, our LEGO Porsche 911 Targa fully assembled. Thanks for joining me through the whole build. Don't forget to subscribe to my OFTV channel and check out my OnlyFans for behind-the-scenes content and exclusives. Bye!